Hi everyone, this is TJ Eskew and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video we'll be visiting the Starbucks Reserve Roastery down in Chicago, and we're going to explore the different levels. There are 5 floors in this place and I can't wait to show you what it's all about. So let's get to the video right now. There are 6 different locations of the Chicago Reserve Roastery. There's one in Tokyo, also Shanghai. There's one in Milan, Seattle, of course here in Chicago, Illinois, and to no one's surprise, there's one location in New York City. The first floor Reserve Coffee Bar has handcrafted coffee beverages, fresh pastries, gifts, and some of Starbucks' rarest coffees. You'll also see the clacker board, the roasting area, as well as the 4-story cask. This sends different coffee beans to the floors above. Let's head around the corner and go up the Midwest's first curved escalator to get to the 2nd floor. This space is dedicated to an authentic Italian bakery created by Princi, who embodies Italian tradition. The experience results in a collaboration between Starbucks' passion for coffee and Princi's passion for bread. Enjoy Princi's commitment to authenticity with all of your senses. Starbucks invites customers to immerse themselves in the art, science, and theater of coffee. Experience coffee flights and creations, exploratory brew methods, nitrogen-infused gelato, and espresso classics. Discover innovative coffee preparation showcasing the incredible flavors of Starbucks Reserve. The ARRIVLAMO cocktail bar features innovative coffee and tea-forward beverages, including exclusive cocktails designed by local Chicago mixologists. You'll also find the barrel-aged coffee bar offering spirit-free barrel-aged coffee creations, and learn more about how Starbucks combines its mastery of roasting with the craft of barrel aging. Situated atop of the roastery, the roof deck provides a unique view of Michigan Avenue and of the roastery below. This is open seasonally as weather permits. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for more lifestyle related videos similar to this. See you in the next one.